Are you looking for an app where you could not only record audios but also save audio notes from those recordings? Kibo's audio recorder helps you do that while organizing your recordings in different folders. Open Kibo app and click on Audio Recorder button. Click on Add Recording button to create a new recording. Click on Record button to start the recording and Stop button to stop and save the recording. Select the folder where you want to save your recording from the list of existing folders or create a new folder. Your recording gets saved to the desired folder and gets added to the list.
My capture. Open no audio recorder button. Recordings. Add recording. Recorder. Zeros. Recording not start. Record button. Recording is stopped. Save to folder. Create new folder in list. Default. Enter file name. Show in English US Word. Capital H I S T O R Y. OK button. History saved in recordings. Keyboard hidden. Folder view. History.mp3.
You can now play the recording and listen to it. To save audio notes, click on Start Taking Note button to start taking notes and Stop Taking Note button to save your note. You can listen to your notes by clicking on More options and selecting View Notes to play your notes directly.
Opening history.mp3. Play button.
According to consensus, in modern genetics, anatomically modern humans first arrived on the Indian subcontinent from Africa between 73,000 and 55,000 years ago. However, the earliest humans remained in the South Asia date to 30,000 years ago.
Audio bookmark. Change speed. Change navigation speed. More options. Pop-up with View bookmark. View notes. Kibo. Play note 1005 to 015.
Modern humans first arrived on the Indian subcontinent from Africa between 73,000 and 55,000 years.
Play note.
To stay updated about Kibo's latest developments, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Do share this video with your friends to spread inclusion and accessibility. Trestle Labs, Unlocking Aspiration.